I like the fact that we are able to connect with so many people in the industry, people that otherwise having them all together in a single room would be very hard, right? Because we have different perspectives, different ways of doing things, different standards, different cultural customs, and all of them have to be taken into account if we want to have a really interoperable and international way of doing things, an international platform, which is what we are trying to build here. Our main use case is contactless travel, which is about allowing multiple travelers to travel across hubs such as Hong Kong, Haneda, Bangalore, etc., in real-life conditions. So last time we did it mostly for PoC purposes in a very specific circumstances. Now we want to connect with airports, with airlines in an interoperable way by creating an invisible network of airports and airlines that wouldn't have to connect one-to-one with each other, so that the travelers could travel and on board with their wallet of their choice. I would like this to be the initiation of this invisible network, right? We want this to be really the seed that we plant so that everyone joins. We don't want this to be just another PoC, but really the initiation of something, because we are preparing the assets so that any airport or any airline that wants to participate on this doesn't have to join the next PoC, but actually could just connect and use the assets that we are preparing.